Yo, what's good, my boy? Yeah, we here, new video. We got this bullshit. Feel me? Mitsubishi Mirage. This shit a piece of shit though, I ain't even gonna lie to y'all. Shit drives like shit, feel like shit. I'm sorry, I'm cursing OD, but this car is really bad, bro. Like, if you want this as your first car, don't get it. Take it back, bro. Like, shit slow as fuck, bro. Foot down, bro. It feel like I'm 1/4 in another car. But feel me?
Yeah, tell them how uncomfortable this shit is.
Uncomfortable, bro. Uncomfortable. Excuse me. I'm like, oh, look. Mad space in the back. This is as far as my seat goes back, bro. And I'm a tall nigga. So, bro, shit got this fucking rotisserie rolling ass fucking remove the seat. Yo, bro. Shit. Some bullshit, bro. We out of here, though. Let's get up out of here. We out of here, my boy. Piece of shit. It's alright, though. We got 1 bar of gas, bro. Yo, the lady was like, oh, this should get good gas, bro. We ain't even going nowhere, bro. Oh, your phone died?
Yeah.
Oh, fuck.
Play music?
No, I'm trying to get back to the sides, king. Let's see. Gucci, though.
Let's come back over.
Alright, yeah, we can wait. Alright, y'all. So, we gonna drive this piece of shit. I ain't gonna lie, I'm mad uncomfortable. Oh, yep, there the seatbelt pin goes. That shit will not shut the fuck up. Try to go on the Apple thing. Yeah. Oh shit. Fucking bastard. Oh, a lot of shit is in my face. Yeah, slow for that. That's it. Let me let y'all listen to how much fucking wind noise, bro, this car brings in, bro. Oh, whoa, shit. Shit almost took us off the road, bro. Nah, I gotta slow down. I gotta slow down, bro. The fucking tires on this car are so fucking thin, bro. Play some music, bro. Let's just vibe out on this drive, cause I ain't feeling this beat, bro. I'm gonna ask you some questions, actually. You feel me? You my first contestant. I'm gonna ask you some would you rather questions. That's what I'm gonna do. Don't mind my porn.
Police reported ahead.
Fuck them niggas. I got a good question for you, my boy. Speak up a little, because niggas won't be able to hear you. Would you rather find true love today or win the lottery next year? Think about this, bro.
Shit.
Think about this.
If I'm being complete honest.
Complete honest. Speak up a little bit, you know.
The year about to end.
Ah.
So, for me, you know,
Nah, you
Probably
thinking?
October 19th. You know, tomorrow about to be the 20th.
I'm not gonna lie, bro. You mad smart for
But
that.
It depends on how much money is the lottery.
Look it up. Look it up.
You know, if it's a couple days, then I'll pass on it. But
It's not gonna be a couple bands. It's gonna be. I thought the shit was on fire for a second, bro. I thought I smelled fire. Oh, we about to run out of gas, bro. Why the shit blinking? Oh, nah. Fuck it, bro. If you run out of gas, that's a whole nother video.
Powerball, okay.
How much?
508 million.
How much? 5.8 mil?
508 million cash value.
Huh. After taxes?
Could be 200 and something million.
If maybe one.
It depends. Depends if you behind. I feel like I don't know, man.
I know the answer to that. I could hold off, feel me? My situation right now is a little crazy, so I don't mind waiting, bro. Even if it was January, I'll wait till December. I ain't even gonna lie to you, bro.
True love gonna come, but that lottery come first, gang.
Alright, bro. That, you feel me? It makes sense. It makes sense, bro. It makes sense.
Wake up in January with money.
You're not even gonna go to sleep, bro. December 31st, bro.
Hazard reported ahead.
That shit mad loud, yo. This retarded ass car. I got another one. Would you rather have everybody you know be able to read your thoughts, or for everyone you know have access to your internet history?
Everybody I know.
Everybody you know. Everybody you know. Everybody you met in the past. Oh, that Beamer moving up on me. Why he moving like that? I can't move with you, gang. I got a bar of gas, and I don't know what the fuck that means on this car. But yeah, you rather everybody you know have access to your thoughts or your internet history?
My thoughts a little crazy. My thoughts, you know, we got one life to live. I'm gonna go with internet browser history. I have to go with it just cause
your thoughts is
my thoughts gonna put me in jail.
Nah, that's a fact.
Hazard reported ahead.
Alright, bro, shut the fuck up, nigga. Heard you the first time, not this. Suck my dick. Anyways.
My thoughts gonna send me right into prison.
Nah, that's a fact. I don't know. That's a hard question for me. Because my internet history. My internet history gonna send me somewhere too. I ain't gonna lie to you. I ain't gonna lie to you, bro.
I feel like my thoughts gonna send me. I'm gonna be in jail for life.
I ain't gonna lie. It's a lot you could do on the internet, bro. I ain't even gonna lie to you, bro.
It is a lot.
I'm gonna go with my thoughts, bro.
Imagine you wake up, you think about robbing TD Bank. They got you already.
Yo, bro.
You're right, but they can't accuse you.
Think about what I'm saying, though. Internet history, bro.
Oh, everything from
internet history. Everything. Think about that.
Oh, they throwing me the hole.
Yo, bro.
Yeah, man.
Yo, just think about that, bro.
All I could do is change my thoughts in certain situations.
Or not think at all, bro.
Not thinking. I mean, that's like a shorty walking past and she got that one.
I'm gonna think about it anyway. So, feel me? She gonna find out one way or another. I mean,
she gonna pop up like the bubble clouds messages.
Technically, she don't know me, so it won't pop up. I mean, I don't know. That's hard. Cause
everybody, that means
everybody you know, though.
Everybody you know.
Everybody you know.
So then.
That's hard. I ain't gonna lie to you.
I'm going with my thoughts.
You going with your thoughts?
I'm going with my thoughts, cause I don't know. My internet browser.
Yeah.
I wouldn't even be here if that was the case.
What you mean?
Niggas probably had me in Afghanistan in a hole or somewhere, bro.
Nah, I ain't gonna lie. If they got access to my internet history, bro, I'd be somewhere in Africa, bro. I'd be living with grandma right now, bro.
Deport me somewhere I'm not supposed to be deported.
Yo, bro.
change my last name and everything.
I'ma do their job before they have to do it, bro. I'ma just one-way flight, bro. You know what I mean?
Movies when they put paper bags over your head and throw you in the back of the trunk, bro.
Yo.
That's exactly what it's gonna do.
Wait, whoa.
Oh, it's not like that.
Wait. I don't know what type of shit you be searching up, bro. What? What the fuck you be searching up, bro? That sounds crazy. Now it sounds like you be searching up some different shit, bro, that I can't even name.
You can't name in the video.
This sound like, yo, bro.
You gonna be the whole with me. It's gonna be with me, bro.
Nah, bro, that shit sound crazy. I ain't even gonna lie. Why this nigga on my ass, bro? This nigga on my fucking buttocks. I'm about to brake check him.
I think this piece of shit, we gonna die.
Oh, word? Yeah, get off my ass, nigga. Pussy boy. Little ass shit. Fucking Toyota Yaris. Okay. Okay, this is a question for you because I know this one hits you. Would you rather labor under a hot sun or extreme cold? So like, would you rather work in extreme cold? This nigga bugging, bro.
All day, all winter long, man.
Bro, you're wildin'.
I don't know if y'all know, but you know, it's cold right now.
This nigga love this shit, bro.
I love this shit, man.
Shit don't make no sense.
Wake up happy as shit. You should see a nigga when they wake up in the summer, sweating as a motherfucker.
Yo, boy, I wake up, bro, wanting not to wake up in the cold, bro. All my life, bro. Especially when I used to have to go to school. Oh my god.
Slump, yo.
I wake up tight, bro.
Nah, but imagine being back in high school when it was like, say like back in middle school when it was just down day. You just down. Your crush at school, gang, and you sweating, bro.
Nah, facts.
Sweating through the shirt, yo.
Nah, you right. I give you that.
She looking at you like you crazy or something.
Nah, you right.
Can't do that, bro.
But not, feel me? When I wake up, bro, I be... Yo, you don't understand. It's not, the winter's not me. I was born in the summer. The winter's just not me, bro.
It's not what it is. Everybody just need to grab a jacket, a fat bitch, and get along, man.
Sure, let me not even comment on that.
Yo, yeah.
Let me not even comment on that, because somebody watch this video. Let's switch the topic, bro.
Fucking blueberry.
Yo, this shit mad.